A machine this large doesn't arrive, it lands.
This plate will soon chew through stone tougher than concrete.
These cylinders will shove the machine into the earth.
A tunnel only grows when the earth behind it disappears.
Every forward move begins with this ring. Every motor on this machine depends on this corridor. This small room will guide a giant underground. Precision here decides everything that comes next. This machine won't dig. It will consume the earth. Strength begins in fire, and this machine demands the strongest steel. From raw steel to precision geometry, every cut matters. These discs will face the raw force of the earth every second.
Balance here means safety deep below.
This ring turns raw force into controlled cutting power. Every weld strengthens the machine's resolve. Armor for a life spent underground. Before meeting the earth, it must prove itself here. This isn't just a cutter, it's the Earth's worst nightmare. To survive underground forces, the TBM's shield begins with precision curved steel, engineered for pressure. Inside the TBM shield, a hidden skeleton gives the entire machine its strength.
Reinforcement rings act like armor plating, resisting underground pressure.
A perfect taper allows the TBM to glide through the earth. Bulkheads protect life inside the machine when pressure rises unexpectedly. Inside the steel shell, every step is designed for work under pressure. Before going underground, perfection is mandatory. Every layer of paint extends the TBM's life beneath the earth. The armor is ready, but what comes next is even bigger. Every curve, every slot, every edge must be exact. Piece by piece, the TBM's face takes shape. These discs are the TBM's teeth, built to crush stone. Every plate, every scraper, every channel directs the earth inward. Balance means efficiency and survival deep underground. Perfection isn't optional, it's mandatory. Every rotation begins at this interface. A protective skin for the TBM's most powerful component. The face of the Earth Eater is ready. Now the real power begins. Only forged steel can handle the forces needed to chew through mountains. Smooth rotation starts here, Patella. carved with microscopic precision. These rollers carry the full weight of the Earth Eater's spinning face. The heart of rotation meets the body of the machine. Dozens of motors unite to push unstoppable torque forward. Speed becomes strength through these gears. Heat is the enemy, Enthin. Cooling keeps the Earth Eater alive. A sealed drive system is the difference between progress and failure underground. These cylinders are the muscles that shove the Earth Eater through stone. Inside this steel tube, friction is the enemy, precision is the cure. This is where pressure becomes motion. Every push begins at these reinforced anchor points. These cylinders form a ring of unstoppable force. This unit supplies the lifeblood of the TBM, entretenir hydraulic power. Every cylinder must work as one, Bringlitz, or the TBM cannot move. The shield and the drive finally become one machine.
This controlled push is the preview of 1,000 meters of tunneling.
It takes its first steps. Next, it consumes the Earth. This steel tube becomes the Earth Eater's first pathway for debris. The blades that carry Earth must survive constant impact. This rotating spine manages the flow of Earth from the cutting face. This belt becomes the machine's internal highway for rock.
Conveyor control equals tunneling efficiency.
This junction ties cutting and transport into one seamless flow. Stage by stage, the muck travels deeper into the machine. Every grain of earth is measured and accounted for.
This is the TBM's digestive trail, non-stop, heavy, and relentless.
The Earth Eater learns to swallow everything in its path.
Backup power, your insurance policy when the mountain decides to shut everything down.
Power stability is not optional, it's engineered. When you cut through Earth, heat is constant. Cooling isn't comfort, it's survival. Every drop counts when the nearest surface is half a kilometer above. A machine this big doesn't just move. It needs continuous nourishment. When the primary fails, the secondary takes command, seamlessly. A tunnel isn't just a workplace, it becomes a second home.
If something breaks underground, you fix it underground.
In tunnel engineering, preparedness decides survival.
If everything goes wrong, this is what keeps the Earth Eater alive.
These aren't just blocks, they're the tunnel's bones. Every segment must arrive exactly when the Earth Eater needs it. Accuracy matters. This arm builds the tunnel one ring at a time. A straight tunnel is no accident. It's constant correction.
In tunnels, water is the enemy. Seal it or lose the fight.
Perfect fit above ground means no surprises below ground. Strength is not assumed, it's measured.
Cutting and building at the same time. That's the genius of a TBM.
When the grid flows through its veins, the Earth Eater wakes up.
If the motions aren't perfect here, nothing will be perfect underground.
A TBM doesn't just cut rock. It must move mountains, non-stop.
Safety isn't decoration. It's engineered into every second of operation.
Every tunnel begins with data and decisions.
This is how a giant goes to work.
From the factory floor into the Earth's first heartbeat.
Every system is ready. The Earth Eater stands at the threshold.
And so it begins. The Earth Eater disappears into the deep.